नमस्कार, मैं हूं वंदना। आप देख रहे हैं स्वदेशी समाचार। आइए रुक करते हैं आज की प्रमुख खबर की ओर। बेंगलुरु स्थित अग्रणी मानसिक स्वास्थ्य संस्थान मार्गा माइंड केयर ने गुरुग्राम में अपना नया सेंटर शुरू कर उत्तर भारत में प्रवेश किया है। संस्था का उद्देश्य पूरे देश में प्रमाण आधारित और सहानुभूतिपूर्वक मानसिक स्वास्थ्य सेवाओं को सुलभ बनाना है। नया सेंटर वयस्कों, बच्चों और बुजुर्गों के लिए इंटीग्रेटेड साइकेट्रिक सेवाएं, नशा मुक्ति, रिहेबिलिटेशन, टीएमएस और केटामाइन जैसी न्यूरो मॉड्यूलेशन थेरेपी, काउंसलिंग, साइकोमेट्रिक असेसमेंट, 24/7 व योग्य आधारित समग्र थेरेपियां प्रदान करेगा। संस्था की सह संस्थापक एवं चेयरपर्सन डॉक्टर ज्योति निर्जा ने कहा कि मानसिक स्वास्थ्य को भी उतनी ही निरंतर और संवेदनशील देखभाल की जरूरत है जितनी अन्य चिकित्सा क्षेत्रों को। मेडिकल डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर गिरीश चंद्रा ने बताया कि उनका मॉडल केवल उपचार नहीं बल्कि जीवन में अर्थ और संतुलन लाने पर केंद्रित है। डॉक्टर अभिषेक हरिहरन कंदलूरी ने बताया कि भारत में मानसिक स्वास्थ्य सेवाओं की भारी कमी को देखते हुए मार्गा माइंड केयर अगले कुछ वर्षों में लगभग 300 करोड़ के निवेश की योजना के साथ इस अंतर को भरने की दिशा में काम कर रहा है। मार्गा माइंड केयर 2030 तक देश भर में 25 सेंटर और 1000 से अधिक बेड्स का नेटवर्क खड़ा करने का लक्ष्य रखता है, जिससे गुणवत्तापूर्ण मानसिक स्वास्थ्य सेवाओं की पहुंच को व्यापक रूप से बढ़ाया जा सके।
Professional and ethical care. Due to the ongoing parliament session, I am unable to be present in person for today's inauguration. I wish Marga Mind Care Gurugram every success in its mission of healing, hope and service to society. Thank you.
Esteemed guests on the dais, Marga Mind Care, our new branch here in Gurugram. In a world where physical health often takes precedence, mental well-being remains a critical and sometimes silent priority. Our mission at Marga Mind Care has always been to provide a guiding path, that is Marga, towards a holistic mental wellness. The inauguration of this new facility is more than just an expansion of our physical footprint. It's a testament to our unwavering commitment to making quality, compassionate and mental health care accessible to the vibrant community of Gurugram.
Beautiful center, I must compliment. It looks like a PVR theatre. So I must compliment Upendra, Jyoti. Because when we were doing MBBS, the idea of mental ward was entirely different. The idea of a mental ward as well as a psychiatrist, entirely different. Because we thought that whoever joined a psychiatry would also become a psychiatric patient. And I don't know why our professors also looked like that only at that time. But over the year, the centers like this have come up, and nowadays most of the psychiatrists, they look like film models. That's how the metamorphosis has taken place. That said, actually, our psychiatry is one of the most neglected aspects of mental health. In fact, it's good that government is also taking note of that, and it is foreign mental health authorities in all the states. In fact, in most of the states, it's been overseen by the High Court judges. Because, see, I have come from a rural background, have seen the problem of psychiatry. In fact, the possessed people, what we used to see at that time, we never knew that they were also.
You all for this special moment, which is the launch of Marga in Gurugram. For me, as a doctor and a healthcare entrepreneur, and someone deeply passionate about mental well-being, the vision behind Marga has always been to be a leading beacon of mental health excellence, and to touch, move and inspire a billion minds, where we build a world where mental health is ethical, accessible and deeply human. It is rooted in the belief that mental health care must be compassionate and credible no matter who you are or what stage of life.
To one and all, Namaste, Namaskar. So I'm here in Gurgaon today. Greetings to the people in Gurugram and a warm greetings on behalf of Team Marga to our respected chief guest, Dr. M.K. Ramesh, President of Medical Assessment and Rating Board, National Medical Commission, and Dr. Ashutosh Raghuvanshi sir. Thank you for coming. And my entire team here, Marga team in Gurugram, and the members of the press and media, colleagues, my dear friends, and all the well-wishers who are present here today. It's an honor to welcome you to the launch of Marga Mindcare in Gurugram. This is an initiative that has grown not merely from professional experience but from years of witnessing the silent and unattended battles people fight behind closed doors. For years as a medical profession, I had realized that there really
and my friends, my family, and others for coming here. And I especially thank Mr. Raghuvanshi. As a casual visiting to the hospital, he has come and accepted the dais. And as usual, my friend always, Dr. M.K. Ramesh. I think whenever I request him, he doesn't say no, and probably he doesn't know how to say no to me. So he comes always, accepts my invitation.
And I believe that not adequate focus has been there on this area for a long time. It is many decades back that the World Health Organization declared mental well-being as part of good health, and still barely anything was done in that direction. And today people suffer. I personally know cases where people have no option because the kind of facilities which are available are not up to the mark. And in this kind of thing, this is a kind of a fresh breeze in this area. Mental health is a very, very important part of well-being, as has already been emphasized by all the dignitaries here. So I don't want to dwell on that, but I just want to congratulate Dr. Jyoti, Dr. Pendra, Abhishek.
Okay, so I'm Dr. Jyoti Neeraja here. I'm the founder chairman of Marga Mindcare. We started in Bangalore 8 years back. We had always wanted to expand across India, but yes, now is the moment, and we have now just stepped into Gurugram. We have just today launched. Thank you all for coming. We have launched a beautiful Marga Mindcare Center in Gurugram. We are here to serve and to make sure that the mentally the healthcare required patients are, the mental health is accessible to all of them, and also we are in a mission to spread mental health awareness, because even now there's not much awareness saying that yes, there is help available outside and I should go and ask help, when that awareness is not there in many smaller towns and rural areas. So we are here to spread mental health awareness and also make sure mental health is accessible to all, and we want to make it stigma free.
Which is the working of the Marga Mindcare Gurgaon?
Sorry?
Which is the working? Which timing working?
Oh, it is a 24/7 mental health facility. We have outpatients, outpatient services available from morning to evening. We have our clinical psychiatrists, our psychologists available here for outpatient counseling. We have a 40-bedded inpatient facility which is available 24/7, because 24/7 emergencies will be attended to. So mental health emergencies is something very serious. Sometimes it can result in disaster. So 24/7 emergencies will be taken and will be admitted.
What are the main facilities from a person will get here?
Anything under the spectrum of mental health need. It could be depression, anxiety, stress-related factors, trauma, schizophrenias, and also, psychosis. Anything in the spectrum of mental health will be a geriatric care, and we cater to all the age group. Child psychiatry, adult psychiatry, geriatric psychiatry. So all the facilities, it's a 360-degree holistic mental health facility.
Depressed individuals, which is the depressed of age, minimum age?
Which one?
Depression.
Depression, it can affect any age group. We have seen depression even in young teenagers and adolescents.
What's the reason, ma'am?
It could be peer pressure, stress related, to cope up with the, the pressures of the life, education, exams, so many things. And also now that they have lots of access to the digital media, that gives them a lot of information, and they think everything on the digital space is something, social media space is something. In reality, they can't achieve, so they get stressed, they get depressed.
How many times? ऐसे ही अन्य खबरों को देखने के लिए देखते रहिए स्वदेशी समाचार।